Check out this Kia 2020 Sportage SX Turbo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.